Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, recent statements from Sika Rhymes and also being reported from a major tabloid locally of dancehall and the Gaza Nation in celebration at this moment in time. Vybz Kartel has assured us that he is 100% sure that he will be cleared by the appeal courts, viewers and subscribers. It looks like there will be no need for us to seek or bring this matter to any higher courts outside of our jurisdiction, nor should the appeal court give us any need to do so, viewers and subscribers. It's clear. And the artist said when it comes to mental health, him say him refuse to bow to anybody or anything. So whether it be stress or whether it be the powers that be, him say no. Him say no. Him not bow to nothing. Him say mental health is good and victory has been assured. And that is definitely exciting news, viewers and subscribers. That is definitely very, very exciting news. There is no way around saying that is exciting news. Even during talk of sanctions, because we don't hear the official report of what these sanctions will be. We have discussed the only options available for them when they talk about sanctions, because visits have already been cancelled for the near future, and outside recreation has already been cancelled also for the near future. The only other option they have, when we talk about a sanction, is to put him in the box. And with what take place worldwide, that would not be fitting right now. So the only other thing is them could do, give him the isolation as was requested. The only option that them left with, are them gonna leave him now himself. No, we still suggest the isolation in a hospital, like would I say in the hospital ward. Yeah, where people can then if you can check in, and you know what I mean? You know the something go. But as we talk about good news, exciting time to get some good news finally. And from the artist himself, courtesy of Sika Rhymes, viewers and subscribers, the gods of VP. So we know the reason authentic. There would be no way this major tabloid could have pushed a story like this without. You know what I mean? I don't know them things. Them can reach out to anybody. From them say them a call, people will answer that call. Yeah, when major tabloids call their phone, the stars do answer. You know the something go. They might decline to give a statement, but they will answer. But remember, it's always the option to choose to decline to give a statement. A statement was given. Vybz Kartel is definitely 100% sure say I'm gonna drop a road. And that is a good look. That is a good. I agree with that statement. During the appeal, viewers and subscribers, we have to keep this in mind. What was used to get the artist convicted in the initial trial is also what was used in the appeal to prove his innocence, and also prove that the prosecution overstepped and seeking a conviction. Yeah. Cyber evidence. We'll talk about cell records and where individuals were with the same cell phones and them say are their primary phones, and the fact that the phone are ping off at different cell towers, putting them at other places when the prosecution were saying they were at another place. The same phone them proved the innocence of the teacher, and it also proves that them overstep by showing that the data was accessed and corrupt and also changed in some instances, and after the change was made, it shows that the data was corrupt or tampered with. So them a leave off text, them a add on text, we don't know it one. For them take off, them could have add on. For them add on, them could have take off. I saw the thing look. How else can we say it? We can't print another way. We can't say, yeah, well, there's no... That is what the experts have testified and said. And these are experts in their field. So if we can't take for them word feed, whose word will we take for it? Because we are not experts in the field. Neither are the judges. The judges are experts in what they're doing. They are judges. Them go to school. Them know law. Electronics is not their field of occupation. It might be a hobby, but they are no experts in the field. The experts in the field have testified, however, that yes, these devices were tampered with. The information recovered was tampered with. And I think that is all the appeal judges needed, because the conviction was based on that. And if what your conviction was based on has now proven to be the same thing we have proved, even the people involved, for the individuals involved, the evidence that got them their conviction, when looked at it as a whole, not part of the picture, not the piece of them try to show it, but we look on the whole picture, we realize that it not only proved them innocence, it proved how far some individuals would go to put the teacher where they right now. Or them would have blatant disrespect for the laws that govern this land, while studying those very same laws to get them occupation right now. There's no clear reason for the motivation behind these measures being implemented just to seek a conviction. Yes, it was the highest profile case we have seen locally, but me that say, yo, even in a how ethics, when we talk about ethics, when we talk about law ethics, it has done more negativity to their career than anything. It now has shown that they will overstep on Ray, and they will do things that are unnecessary, also very unlawful, for better choice of words. So I definitely put these things into focus, viewers and subscribers, and a matter to be addressed. After they release the teacher though, and what take place worldwide, we can focus on that. We are very clear on that. Not until then. We are very clear on that. Not until then. Yeah, we deal with them and those that overstep the boundaries, in my own personal opinion, and in the opinion of the experts. Because somebody say your opinion no matter, you're wrong. Everybody opinion matters. Every individual has an opinion, and it does matter. But let's think about who for opinion is more into the facts. The experts. And them say them look upon it, and they get tampered with. And that we are talking about. Talk to me in the comment section. What you feel about the news of victory? The fact that Vybz Kartel remains upbeat and is 100% sure in the 50, in the 60, 70, 80, 90. I'm 100% sure say him freedom will be granted and his name will be cleared by the appeal courts. So after the next thing too, the artists want his name cleared because the allegations with them bring upon him. Remember, the person where they must say the situation take place to was a member of the music group. Yes, I repeat, music group. Because we know some people are trying to say some other things like them are trying to say. But no one are trying going with the something. The music group. So why? You know what I mean? It paints a certain image upon the individual, upon the artist. Make it look like him is a certain type of individual. So the artist want him name cleared as well. And him say him know the appeal will do that. Yes, after the appeal judges grant his victory, this appeal will help to clear his name and prove so not never goes to them make it up. Not never goes to them make it up. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you now that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. Put it on all, because this is now This is now how you will be notified as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there as well. For me, like we drop a like on the vlog. In truth, the share icon is also there as well, located right there. Yes, the like icon there too. Drop a like, boss a share, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, join the discussion via the comment section, which is always open 24/7, never lack yet, no matter when you see the vlog. Be respectful and mindful, however. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section, as I said before. Quick recap. News of Vybz Kartel's victory as the entire dancehall and Gaza nation in celebration at this moment in time. Our move settings, fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, if we want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.